bigger part of this too is, the fact that they're my fathers, and I have a very strong connection to Judaism, Israel through my father because he's Israeli, and I've felt it my whole life. It's a missing part of me, that I never knew. For a son to not know his own father his whole life, and it's part of why I believe I shared this with Yoni, the concept of Mashiach, people come back to life. So it's a good reason to believe. It's very personal. Be nice to see him one day. That's what I think personally. So it's good motivation to build the temple.
So I just did tefillin for the first time with my father's tefillin, and his even used his siddur that I found in my mom's house this past weekend. I think I'm on a good path right now, and that's that. So I'm driving to work right now. I did tefillin for the second day in a row. This morning was the first time I did it by myself. It was pretty challenging in the beginning to get the knot right. I was almost ready to give up, but I didn't. I did it. And that's that. Today's day 2. So today is day 3 of doing tefillin. I did it for the second time by myself today. It went much smoother. I feel like I know what I'm doing now. Something I've been thinking about as I do the tefillin, you're supposed to be connecting your mind, your heart, and your body, and that's a very it's a very good thing to be able to think about in the morning before you go to work every day. So yeah, mind, body, and heart, make that connection. And an interesting thing that I read that the Rebbe said that tefillin is kind of like the electrical cords in a computer. Kind of connecting your mind, body, and heart, just like you connect cords to a computer. So it's an interesting thing to think about. That makes a lot of sense to me. Hey, this is day 4 of Tefillin Shloshim. Today was much easier again. I felt like I'm understanding the purpose of doing the mitzvah of Tefillin right now. Being able to connect your mind, body, heart before you go to work every day or before you start your day. So yeah, I'm slowly understanding the mitzvah of tefillin, and that's that.
Mazel tov on your 30th.
Wait, say again. 1, 2, 3.
The day of putting on tefillin should be the beginning of the 300,000.
Okay.